performing with their puppets. Pre-kindergarten students from across the district took part in a special Zoom session with artists Susana and Timmy Abell from Silver Trout Arts. Here at Hilton Head Island Early Childhood Center, students had fun singing along with the artists and showing them the puppets they created.
I colored it, and I put eyes on it, and I made a smiley face on it. I put stickers in my puppet.
The artists provided teachers with several pre-recorded programs, teaching students about self-expression and storytelling through puppetry, poetry, and songs.
We learned a new song called The Unicorn, and we learned the motions to go along with it and interact with the puppets. And so it was just a fun, different way of having a fun little field trip in our class.
During the virtual session, the artists also showed students several different types of puppets, like this shadow puppet.
So when we put the shadow puppet in front of the screen,
And they also enjoyed seeing the puppets the students made.
I think that when they make the puppets, it allows them to interact more with their language, and they get involved with the song, and that makes them more familiar with words and vocabulary.
About 750 pre-kindergarten students from across the district took part in the art project. This program is administered by the Art Center of Coastal Carolina with generous support from the SC Arts Commission. At Hilton Head Island Early Childhood Center, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
I just made her out of a little fuzzy sock, and she doesn't even have eyes, but you can put eyes on your sock and a tongue and some ears and decorate a sock puppet.